Kapag tinanong ka ng prospect mo, ano ang network marketing? Paano mo siya sasagutin? Yan ang i-discuss natin sa video na to. Kapag nagsimula ka na makapag-usap sa prospect, madidiscover mo na bawat isang tao o bawat isang client ay may iba't ibang interpretation sa term na networking, MLM, or network marketing. Kaya sa video na to, yan i-clarify natin para once and for all, maging confident ka kung sino man ang kakausapin mo, alam mo kung paano siya sasagutin. Pero bago yan, ano ba yung hindi network marketing? What is not network marketing? So, i-define muna natin siya ng tama, no? Ito is personal sa experience ko at saka sa naririnig ko sa iba. Kaya, let's dive into it. What is not network marketing? The first one is flashy cars, exotic travel, extravagant lifestyle. Ano ba? Alam mo yung pinapakita sa social media, ganito yung buhay ko. Diba? Pinapakita yung cheque, hindi network marketing yan. Okay? O, ang ibig kong sabihin is, hindi yan yung pinaka-definition. Because a lot of people, pag nagparada ka na ng sports car, networking yan. Alam mo yung ginawa na siyang definition. Diba? Yung lifestyle, networking yan. Anak ko, pinapainganyo ka na para mag-join ka. Pero hindi yun yung pinaka-definition ng network marketing. Another one, network marketing is not about recruit to and retire forever. Maraming mga nagjo-join sa networking. Most probably kasi mali rin yung the way na pinresent sa kanila. Okay ba? So like, most people, pag nag-present sila, ito, gagawin mo, maghanap ka lang ng dalawa, tapos yung dalawang to, gagalaw, forever ka nang upo, di ba? Naku, maniwala kayo sa akin, sa tagal ko sa network marketing, hindi po totoo yan. If ganun pa yung mentality mo, and you wanted still to embrace that kind of mentality, nahanap ka na ng dalawa, tapos pag may dalawang downline ka na, bahala na sila magtrabaho. Sabihin ko na po ito, straightforward, hindi ka po tatagal sa industriyang ito. Ikatatlo, network marketing is hindi po yan about over-exaggerating results. Okay, so like for example, inom ako ng product, ito nangyari sa akin. Nawala yung ganito kong sakit. Or ito yung ginawa kong konti lang effort ko, tapos ganito yung nangyari sa aking resulta. Over-exaggerating result, over-exaggerating lifestyle, mga, if I said it, not true at all. Fake. These are not the true definition of network marketing. Kung by definition lang ang pag-uusapan natin, simply put this, I got this from Jopet Pedroso. He's one of our coaches. Ang sabi niya, network marketing is a system of moving products. That's it. Kung physical ang product mo, it's a system of moving a physical product. Kung service kayo, it's a system of moving that service from the one that manufactured or created it going to the consumer. Ganun lang po ang definition ng network marketing. It is a system of moving products from the manufacturer to the consumer. Through what? Sa papanong paraan? Through an organization. Okay, so, ibig sabihin, pag nag-start ako ng network marketing business ko, magbe-build ako ng organization. Kung gusto kong seryosohin yung negosyo ng network marketing, ang gagawin ko, magbe-build ako ng organization. Yung laki ng organization ko, of course, it will be determined by depende sa skills ko. Pero most importantly, ano ba yung pinaka-goal ko sa network marketing ko? So, gusto ko lang itong i-emphasize, hindi po lahat ng network marketing gusto malaking income. Marami pong pumapasok sa network marketing, ito papakita ko, is either gumagamit lang sila ng products. Nag-join sila kasi na-enjoy nila yung product. Nag-join sila kasi na-enjoy nila yung service ng network marketing business na yun or ng company na yun. Or some of them are just there for a few hundreds or few thousands of pesos. Like they just wanted to retail. And there's nothing wrong with it. Meron namang iba na tulad ko na talagang gusto mag-build kasi naintindihan ko yung leverage na business. Gusto ko na leverage na profit. Naintindihan ko siya, pero hindi po lahat gusto talaga kumita ng milyon. So, tanggalin natin sa concept na lahat ng network marketing gustong kumita ng milyon. Marami dito, kung sasabihin ko basta maganda yung product, 50 to 60 to 70% na sumasali is they are there for the products. Okay, so, yan yung definition. So, simply put, network marketing is simply a distribution business. And kung hindi natin pag-uusapan ng network marketing at saka distribution business lang ang pag-uusapan natin, malaki po ang potential pag-distribution business. Bakit? Hindi mo na inintindi yung sakit ng ulo ng pag-manufacture ng product. Ang ginawa mo lang, ikaw lang yung nag-distribute pumunta sa consumer. But on this case, in a network marketing company, ang ginawa nila, they pay those who build the biggest organization. Ibig sabihin, pag malaking organization, maraming kumikita sa organization na yun. Ibig sabihin, maraming natutulungan through the product, through that organization. Kaya malaki ang compensation. Kaya malaki ang kinikita. Ngayon, gusto ko lang itong sabihin, hanap ka ng company na makabuluhan ng product. Very important po ito. Okay, so, isa po sa mga bagay or red flag na malalaman mo na yung nag-aalok sa'yo ay hindi po yan legit na network marketing, lalo na po kung ang ino-offer sa'yo ay investment. Ibig sabihin, maglalagay ka ng pera mo tapos magre-recruit ka. Scam po yun. Lalo na po kung walang product na tatanggap. Kung meron mang product, hindi mapakinabangan ng product. Yun po yung mga red flag na yung kumpanya na yun is either hindi talaga siya totoong network marketing or talagang nagko-quote lang siya na network marketing pero it's really a pyramiding scheme. Alam niyo bakit ang pyramiding is very dangerous? Kasi totoo yan. Yung nasa kung titingnan mo siya as a structure, there's nothing wrong with the triangle structure. Kasi lahat naman triangle ng structure, government triangle yan eh. No, corporate triangle yan. So there's nothing wrong with the triangle. Pero ang concern kasi ng karamihan is they thought that people are earning at the expense of others, which is hindi po totoo sa case ng isang legit na network marketing. Alam nyo ba, it is really, really possible in a network marketing business na ikaw na nag-invite at yung in-invite mo, both of you win in the business. Both of you win in the business. Hindi po exactly na for you to win in network marketing, somebody has to lose. No. Everybody can win. And yun po yung isa sa mga sikreto ng malalaking organization. Bakit? Sa isang malaking organization sa network marketing, maraming nananalong mga distributors sa associate. Maraming mga natutuwang retailer. Maraming mga enjoy na mga users. That's the key in network marketing. Ngayon, kung tatanungin mo ako bakit best option na negosyo ang network marketing, bibigyan kita ng dahilan. Number 1, low startup cost. Mababa po ang startup. Compare mo sa traditional business, mababa pa rin po talaga ang network marketing na entry level. Okay? So, ikalawa, which is very, very important, doesn't require super skills to start. Doesn't require super skills to start. Madalas sa mga nag-join sa network marketing, ito po yung mga nagtagal sa employment na hindi sila nakamaster ng certain skills para makapag-build ng traditional business or hindi sila nakapag-gather ng enough information to build a product na pwede mag-compete sa market. So, network marketing is a very good platform where people can join regardless of your background. So, hindi po kailangan dito ng super skills pag nagsimula ka. You can start where you are and you can grow from there. Ikatatlo, doesn't require super personality to start. So, a lot of people thought, nako, kailangan siya maboka ka, kailangan siya maingay ka, kailangan siya madaldal ka. Nako, hindi po totoo yun. Marami po dito na tulad ko. No, I'm introvert by nature. No, lalo na kung mag-uusap tayo, hindi po ako yung tipo ng di ba, na party goer, extrovert, di ba? But I still enjoy network marketing. So, doesn't require super personality to start. Ito po yung isang bagay na talagang na enjoy ko sa industry na to. Regular coaching available. Team effort, yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, no? Hindi kailangan na may matalo para manalo ka. Everybody should win. Yun yung pinaka-game plan. Yun yung pinaka-strategy, no? Everybody should win. Kasi it's a team effort, eh. Diba? So, which means that your profit comes from the sales of the organization na binild mo. And there's nothing wrong with it if you get a percentage of the income from the sales na ikaw rin yung nag-build ng organization na yun. Personal development is also one. Yung nagbi-build ka ng, yung dati, mahihain ka ngayon, confident ka na. Diba, marami akong na-enjoy, nakikita ko yung mga teammates ko, mga associate, even sa mga crossline ko, nakikita ko sila na kung sino sila before nagsimula, hanggang ngayon, yung perspective nila, yung belief nila, yung skills nila, yung character nila, sobrang amazing to see it, no? Personal development. Low overhead expenses. Low overhead expenses, wala kang kuryente, tubig, tao na kailangan bayaran. At siguro internet kung online mo siyang gagawin or gasolina o pamasahe kung offline mo siya gagawin. But still, regardless kung hindi ka man nag-network marketing, namamasahe ka pa rin naman at saka may internet o may gasolina ka pa rin naman, di ba? So still, mababang over expenses. Ito pinaka-enjoy sa lahat. Aside sa commission, there will be incentives and bonuses. Sobrang ganda ng community, no? So, ito pa, leverage income, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Ibig sabihin, hindi lahat ng effort ng income mo galing sa effort mo. Ibig sabihin yung team na binild mo, yung organization that they are winning, that they are happy, you get a percentage of that, 'di ba? The stronger the team, the more leverage your income is. Ibig sabihin, marami kang flexible na time. Hindi ka tali sa negosyo mo. Majority po ng mga traditional businesses, lalo na kung malalaking businesses na hindi naka-set up ang system in place, tali po sila sa business nila. And kung nasa traditional business ka, I believe makaka-relate ka doon. Diba? Ito pa, opportunity to impact others positively. Sobrang ganda talaga. Alam mo yun, yung nare-recognize ka, tapos yung recognition mo, hindi lang para sa'yo. Nakikita ka ng ibang tao, na-inspire sila, mas na-motivate sila, na mangarap, na ma-motivate sila na mas galingan. Sobrang inspiring yung ganong klaseng community. And highly motivated, highly driven community. Alam niyo po ba, wala po ako nakitang tumagal sa network marketing na pala reklamo. Yung tamad, wala po. Sorry to say, pero wala mo naman talaga umaasenso ng tamad eh. Kahit naman hindi sa network marketing eh. Diba? Pero dito nakikita ko na pag join mo dito, you see people who are positive, maganda yung outlook sa buhay, excited sa output based, hindi lang puro salita. That's what I love about it. No? Ngayon, hanap ka ng team na may solid na system. Okay? There are a lot of people who will offer you network marketing. You just need to choose which one na mas comfortable ka na ito yung team na sapasukin ko kasi komportable ako dito. Okay? Kaya nga, di ba, usually yung sinasalihan natin, yung mga relative natin, kakilala natin kasi komportable tayo mag-grow and that's fine, 'di ba? And ngayon kung pinapakinggan mo to, possible nagre-research ka, possible may nag-invite sa iyo. Pinakikinggan mo tong video na to, hanapin mo yung community or yung organization or team na alam mong mag-grow ka at komportable kang mag-grow with them. Okay? Ngayon, meron pa tayong isang sasagutin dito. People who are involved in network marketing. Ito yung mga myth, ito yung mga akala ng mga tao. Akala ng mga tao yung nag-join sa network marketing, walang trabaho, yung maraming oras, alam mo yung hindi nakapatapos sa pag-aaral. Which in fact, there are so many of those people na ganito yung background nila before pero umasenso sila because of this industry. But still, the truth is, hindi lang. They are professionals, doctors, lawyers, politicians, entrepreneurs, may mga negosyante, full-time mom, OFW, all walks of life regardless. Kahit saan ka nang galing na buhay before, doesn't matter in network marketing. Doesn't matter. Again, you don't need the super skills to start. You don't need a super personality to start. Doesn't matter kung ano ka before. Kung sa tingin ng tao dati failure ka, pwede nating baguhin yan sa network marketing. Pwede nating baguhin sa network marketing. Ngayon, as we like to end into this, thinking to join network marketing. Are you thinking to join network marketing? This is an unfiltered, straightforward as a friend and who someone has been here for a decade already. Be ready to be uncomfortable. Be ready to get out of your shell. Be ready to do the things that you might not willing to do. But I'll tell you, it will all be worth it. It will all be worth it. Alam nyo ba, dahil sa industriyang ito, na-discover ko yung mga kaya ko pala. Alam mo yung may ganun. It's such an amazing experience for me. Possible kasi yung the way I think about it nung pumasok ko sa industriyang ito, I think about it as a journey. May mga bagong bagay ako na ginawa sa business na to na hindi ko ginagawa before, pero ginawa ko dito sa business na to, sobrang exciting siya. And gusto ko siyang ma-experience mo yung joy na ma-discover mo na kaya mo pala siya. Right? So, if nakita mo to na video na to valuable, i-share mo to dun sa prospect mo, i-share mo to sa teammate mo, or i-share mo to someone na nagdadalawang isip, kailangan ko pa, need more information, i-send mo tong video na to. I hope makatulong sa inyo. Sa paglago ng business mo, sa paglago ng network marketing mo na negosyo.